Welcome to Charming English Corner. In this video, I am going to discuss how to frame yes or no questions. In my earlier video, we have already discussed framing WH questions, and in yet another video, how to frame question tag.
Framing yes or no questions. Now let us see how to frame yes or no questions. Let's start with an example. John is a teacher. Here John is the subject, is verb, teacher the subject complement. In such sentences where there is a helping verb, it's very easy to change the statement into question if we change the word order. Bring the helping verb in the beginning, then the subject, then the rest of the sentence as it is. So here the question will be, is John a teacher? Now negative interrogative. Is John a teacher is a positive question. Is John not a teacher is a negative question. Isn't John a teacher is contracted form of negative. When we use contracted form, it comes quite close to the helping verb. That is, it comes in the beginning itself. After that, the subject comes. But when we write it separately, first the helping verb, then the subject, then the negative word. There is no change in the meaning. Usually, in spoken English, we use the contracted form of negative. Very rarely we use negative word as it is. Take the next example. Raju can win the championship. Question: can Raju win the championship? Negative question: can Raju not win the championship? The same when we use contracted form of negative. Can't Raju win the championship? Now take the next example. John teaches English. We have already discussed in my previous videos, when there is no helping verb in the statement, we have to use do, does or did depending upon the tense and the subject of the sentence. So here we have a third person singular. Verb is teaches and teaches is equal to does plus teach. So our yes or no question is, does John teach English? Does John not teach English? That is negative question. Doesn't John teach English is a contracted form of negative. Take the next example. They play cricket. Here the tense is simple present and subject is third person plural. Therefore the helping verb is do. Do they play cricket? Do they not play cricket? Don't they play cricket? Now next example. We went to the theatre. Went is a past tense form or verb to form. Therefore we have to use did plus go. So whenever we use or the verb is in the simple past, we have to use did plus present tense form of the verb. Did we go to the theatre? Did we not go to the theatre? Didn't we go to the theatre? Now the next example. He will come tomorrow. Will he come tomorrow? Will he not come tomorrow? Won't he come tomorrow? Will plus not is equal to won't. Next, you are dancing well. Here again we have a helping verb. Are you dancing well? Are you not dancing well? Aren't you dancing well? One more example. I'm a doctor. Am I a doctor? Am I not a doctor? But when we use contracted form of negative with am, It is not amn't, it's aren't I a doctor? Because amn't is considered awkward, therefore aren't is used. Now the next example. You are an engineer. Are you an engineer? Are you not an engineer? Aren't you an engineer? Many examples are there in high school English grammar and contemporary English grammar and usage. You can refer to them for solving. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe if you like them. Thank you.